You will forget about all the AI tools after watching this video like ChatGPT, DALL-E and other AI tools. Why? Because in this video I am going to tell you about an amazing tool with the help of which you can create professional websites using AI. You just have to ask this tool, build me a website like openai.com, build me a website like google.com, and it would build the complete website for you. And the best part is you can edit these websites easily. Like you can change the text, you can change the colors, you can change the pictures, and you can change each and everything. This video or this tool can make you a web designer without learning web design. Now you can create your own portfolio website using this AI tool, or you can create websites for your clients. You just have to ask your client for a similar website, and then you have to tell this tool, build me a website like thiswebsite.com, and this tool will build the complete website for you using AI, and you can easily edit. And I'll also tell you that how you can do the edits and all stuff, and you can easily create the websites. So watch this full video till the end. Now there's a disclaimer that in this channel I teach about freelancing, entrepreneurship and passive income stuff. So if you want to learn it, you should subscribe it. But if you don't want to learn it, don't dare to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just watch this video, and without subscribing, go elsewhere. Now let's just create the website using AI. So this is the tool we are going to use, and to go to this tool, what you can do is you can just type in webifydhub.com/10web and you will get access to this tool. Now here, to get started, just enter your email address khadeenakbar@gmail.com and just click on get started for free. And here you will get access to this dashboard. Here you will get the sign up page, then add your name, address and password, and this email. So here is the password and here is the name, etc. Everything. Just click on get started for free. After clicking on get started, I'll just save the password. Now here you are on our onboarding. Select answer a few questions like I'm freelancer developer, then this one, then select I'll select others. And then here you have multiple options. And now this is a this is a web design tool and this is a web hosting. So this has multiple things, but this video is dedicated to this one, create with AI builder, because we want to create website using AI builder. So what I'll do is I'll just click on create with AI builder. Now here's where the game begins. Now I'll show you here. What you have to do is, what this AI builder basically does is that you just have to give this builder a sample website, a website that you are inspired of, and this web builder will recreate that complete website. Then you can do few edits using Elementor. I'll tell you how you can do the edits, and your website would be ready. Now you can copy any of the themes link, like if you can't buy any theme, and you can just copy the link of that theme and you can paste it here. Or if you want to copy the design of your competitor or any other company, you can just paste that link here. This will recreate the complete website. Then you can do the few edits and it would just help you to design that stuff. Now what I want to do is I just want to copy this website. This is my main website, my personal website. Let's say I just want to copy this website. So what I'll do is I'll just come here, I'll just paste the link of that website, and after pasting the link of this website, what I'll do is I'll have to click on proceed. So I'll just click on proceed, and now it will proceed and it would recreate the complete website for me. It would take 1 to 2 minutes, and after that we'll get the website for us. And here you go, the website is ready. And now I'll just click on preview and edit your website, and it would take us to the website preview where we can preview our website. And here you can see we just got the complete clone of our website. This is the this is the main website, and this is the website that we got recreated. Now you might be asking that this is not the perfect website, and what are the use cases of this tool and how we can use this tool. Now there are a lot of the use cases. Like let's say you are an SEO expert or you are a graphic designer. What you can do is you can search for graphic designers on YouTube. And then what you can do is, let's say if you want to create website for yourself, you can search for the high ticket graphic designers who are a lot successful. You can check out their websites. If you get inspired of their websites, like I'll just go to this website or maybe some other websites. If you are inspired by their websites, what you can do is you can just copy the link of their website, like this one, and you can just go to this builder and you can just paste the link of that website here, and you can clone this complete website, and then you can edit that website. Or let's say you want to become a web designer and your client asks you to create a restaurant website and you don't have budget to buy a theme. Then what you can do is, like let's say I want to create a website for restaurants. I'll search for restaurants in Vancouver, and then I'll just go to Google Maps and I'll just have a look at multiple websites, and I'll just copy the link of the website that I like and I want to create a website like that one. And then I'll just go to my dashboard, or the process I did. I'll after creating the home page, if you want to create multiple pages, then you can just go to the dashboard, and then you can go to this pages stuff. Here you will have all your pages, and then what you can do is you can just go to AI builder, and you can from here you can add a new page as well. Just add the title. I'll add restaurant, and here you just have to add the link of that page, and you can recreate more and more and more pages, and the complete website would be created for you with multiple pages. Here you can manage SEO, backups, themes, plugins, and here you can point the domain as well. And you have hosting. You will get the hosting as well, but this is with the premium version. I'll tell you what are the benefits of pro version and how you can utilize it as well, but right now we want to go with the free one. And now which one is our website? So I'll just go to our website. Now let's say if you want to edit this website, you can easily edit this website. Just click on edit with 10 web builder, and it would take you to the 10 web builder, and from there you can edit easily using Elementor. Now if you don't know about Elementor, you can search on Google, YouTube, and you will get a 5 to 10 minutes tutorial, and you can learn about Elementor. And I'll also give you insights about Elementor. So first of all, Elementor is based on sections and columns. Web page is divided into sections. Sections are divided into columns, and in columns you can add different objects. Like let's say if I want to create more sections, I'll just click on this add button. From here I can select the section structure. If I want to have 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, or 4 columns, let's say I want to add 1 column, and then here from here you can just edit this section. You have 3 options: layout, style, and advanced. In layout you can change the layout. From style you can change the style of the section, like you want to change the color or you want to change anything, you can change it. Then in advanced you have some padding and these kind of things. Now let's say you want to add anything here. Just click on these 9 icons, and from here you can add anything. Let's say I want to add an image. I'll click drag an image and drop it here. Then from here I can just add upload an image, and I can just add that image there. Like let's say I want to add this image. I'll select this image, insert media, the image is added. Now if I want to edit this image, I can from any content. If you want to edit, you have these 3 options: content, style, and advanced. From here you can edit the content. From here in styles you can change the width and all the kind of styles. If you want to add the border radius, you can add the border radius to it. And if you want to add anything, like you can make any edits you want. Like let's say I want to make it round, I can make it round. If I want to make it round, I can just like if you want to edit anything, just click on that thing. From here you can change the content. Keep in mind, from style you can change the style. You can if you want to make it round or any other styles you want to add, if you want to add the border or anything. Then from content you can change the content, and from advanced you can change some advanced things. Same is with text. Just go to text. From here you can change all the text. Then from style you can change how it is aligned and what its color should be, or like you can change each and everything. Then you have this stuff, you can change this. Or if you want to edit new things, again this one is for you. You can just select this and you can just change this stuff. And if you want to move it up or down, you can move it up or down. Here you have the navigator. You have all the navigations of the products and things. And if you want to move them below or above, you can move them below or above. And to update this, you can click on update and you can update it. And you also have this responsive mode. Click on this responsive mode and you can check it out, how it looks on mobile, how it looks on laptop, how it looks on tablet. So that's how all these things works, and after it is updated, you have the complete website. But one thing is that you will not have this professional domain name. Like I have khadeenakbar.com, but you have this unprofessional subdomain. So if you want to add the domain name, then you can just go to you just have to buy a domain name. First of all, you can go to link in description to buy the domain name from namecheap.com, or the link is in description. You can buy from any domain name provider, and then you just have to click on find a domain, and here you will have to add the domain name. But to add the domain names, you will have to get the premium version of 10web. And now to get the premium version, just go to webifydub.com/10web. And after going to the 10web main website, here I'll just go to the pricing, and this is the pricing of 10web. Now it starts from $10 per month. You will get the 7 days free trial and 30 days money back guarantee. And then here you can see I basically have an agency plan on 10web, but from here you can start with $10 per month for one website, or three websites, $24 per month, and you will have a lot things. Now first of all, you will have security and 100% speed, Google page speed inside, 100% speed. Then you will have a lot storage and a lot of other features, and best thing is you will have the AI builder. You can collaborate, and if you want to provide web design services, then you can get the agency plan, or you can upgrade to the agency plan as well. So that's how all these things works. You can get access to this AI builder. This is basically a hosting. You can go from link in description. You can check this out. If it works for you, you can go with the premium version, and with the premium version, with the pro version, you can create amazing websites using this one. This technology, I haven't heard about any hosting which is using this technology, that AI builder, recreating websites, and they are going to introduce a lot other amazing things. And I hope you liked the video, and if you think this video is amazing, or you know about any other website which covers the same thing with low pricing, just let me know in comments. And also let me know in comments what do you think about this website, this video, and have you subscribed to my YouTube channel or not, if you are interested in that passive income stuff or not. That was all about this video. See you in the next video, and share it with your friends who are WordPress developers, or who are who just want to learn more about AI. And I have decided about the best video for you, which you can see on the left side. This video is next best video for you. You should watch. See you in next video.